Welcome back, everybody. This week's episode we will be making pork wontons. And these are super simple. Literally, it's just pork and the skin. And you wrap it up with Asian sauces and the goodness. Let's begin. Alright guys, so these are our ingredients for our wonton. We got some wraps here. White pepper, oyster sauce, seasoned soy sauce for seafood, rice wine, sesame oil, and some soy sauce. We have our salt, green onion, our ginger, and then we have 1 pound of pork. Grate 1 tablespoon of ginger, and once you've grated that, let's go ahead and take the juice of that ginger and add it to your pork. Let's continue adding the rest of the ingredients to the filling. Half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of white pepper, 1 tablespoon of the soy sauce for seafood, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of this, 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, half teaspoon of sesame oil, and 1 teaspoon of the soy sauce. All right. Now we can go ahead and mix all of our ingredients. Okay, so you want to make sure that the consistency looks like this. You can see how sticky it is. And we'll make sure that we have that consistency, and we're gonna go ahead and refrigerate it for 30 minutes. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and start out with a little bit of meat. You're gonna go ahead and put that in the middle here. Okay, so we're gonna take our meat, make sure you got it spread out all on there. We're gonna take some water, dab your finger, make sure it's wet so there's a little bit of an adhesive, so you can go ahead and do that. Fold this up like a triangle, half triangle. Squeeze the sides here, and then you're gonna fold this part up and then squeeze together. Woo, squeeze that together, and then you have a little wonton. Cute, huh? Okay, let's try it again. We'll show you here. Go ahead and take a bit of meat, smash it, grab some water, triangle, okay, fold it up in half, fold this inwards, and then squeeze that together. You can add some water if it's not sticking. There you go. So let's go ahead and make our sauce. So we're gonna take 1 tablespoon of this, some black vinegar. We're gonna do 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce here. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Half tablespoon of some sesame oil. And half tablespoon of this chili. Then we're gonna add a little bit of sugar, so we're gonna also do half tablespoon of sugar. So let's do that. And let's mix that up. Now we got that chili oil. It smells really great, guys. For the freshly made pork wontons, you're gonna boil 1 pot of water and place all of the wontons into the boiling pot. Go ahead and give it a good little mix here. So we're gonna wait for the pork wontons to hit a rolling boil, and once that happens, we're gonna add 2/3 cup of water.
Go ahead and cover that up, and we're going to repeat the process once again. Wait until it's a rolling boil and add another 2/3 cup of water.
Now that you see the wonton is floating to the top, it's almost done. So we're just gonna wait for it to boil once again.
Once it starts to boil, you can go ahead and take out your wontons, and they're basically ready to eat.
Looking good!
Go ahead and eat them while they're hot before they're all gone. Let's go ahead and add that chili oil that we made earlier. Let's put it on top of the wontons here, and you can also add green onion and some cilantro just to add that finishing garnish touch there.
So good.
These are absolutely delicious with the chili oil, and really it's just the pork with all of the Asian sauces marinated underneath there, and it is a delicious lunch or dinner to be shared with family or friends.
Comment below what your favorite way to eat wontons are. Is it fried? Is it pan fried? Is it boiled? Is it with chili oil? Is it with wonton min? What is it with? Currently my favorite is this hot chili oil. Ooh, so good. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't yet, guys. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button for me. It'll be amazing. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next week.